Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use head pose in Snapseed. If you are new to Snapseed and you don't know how to use head pose, I'm going to show you an easy way to use it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the Snapseed app on your phone. Now, click on the plus icon to add the photo that you want to edit. Now, to use head pose, simply click on Tools and now select the head pose option here. Now, as you can see, there are different arrows shown in the display. You can simply swipe with your fingers to different direction and change the head pose. And just like that, you can use head pose in Snapseed. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.